I get this question a lot. The police reach out to me and said they want to question me. Should I go? No! I mean, that's the general answer. Don't do it. I never advise anyone to ever speak to a police officer without an attorney being present. Why is that? This is extremely important because most people don't know this. But police officers are allowed to lie to you. They can put you in a room and tell you they just want to ask you questions. When that's a complete and total lie. That is not the purpose of them being there. They may have already made up their mind to arrest you for something, and they're just questioning you to build up a stronger case against you. But you don't know that if you don't go there with a lawyer. So it's extremely important. Do not get questioned by a police officer without an attorney being present. Now, there are limitations on what a police officer can do. A police officer cannot lie to you about the law. I get this a lot in DUI cases, where police officers will tell a client, if you don't do roadside exercises, your license will be suspended. That's incorrect. That's a misstatement of the law. And I've won a lot of cases because of that. But a police officer can lie to you about facts. So for example, they pull you and a family member into separate rooms to ask you about an incident that happened. And they may walk in and say, hey, we just spoke to your family member and they told us that you're the brainchild behind the whole incident and that you're the one who did everything. And you could be sitting there like, that's not true. That's not what happened. This is what happened. Boom, they just got you. With a lie, because they haven't possibly even spoken to that other family member, they got you to reveal what happened. And that's not necessarily what you want, because it may lead to you getting charged or it may lead to your family member getting charged. And that's just one example of many different things that can happen. But police officers are allowed to lie to you by law. It is allowed. So don't trust a police officer who says, I just want to talk to you. It's just simple questioning. It may be that, but err on the side of caution. And if you're going to show up to that interview, show up with an attorney so we can advise you on how to act, how to answer the questions accurately, but not in a way that hurts you. Or when we see the questioning is going down the road where it's not going to help you, we can just cut it off right there. So again, the general rule, do not talk to police officers without your attorney being present.